Wow, Lily, look. The first flowers are out?
Yes, spring is finally here, Jake. But it's still a bit breezy and cool.
True, it's the perfect time to learn some new words to describe this season.
Exactly. Today we'll show you how to talk about spring showers, blossoms, and the fresh air of March, April, and May. Let's go. It's really cool today, isn't it? I'm glad I wore my warm sweater.
Yes, you're right, Lily. It's definitely not warm yet. The wind is quite strong. My jacket is thin, and I can feel the breeze.
I love this time of year, though. It's the beginning of spring. Look at the trees. They have small buds. Soon everything will be green.
True. But today is a bit overcast. I hope it doesn't rain later. The clouds are moving fast because of the wind.
I think it will stay dry. The sun is trying to come out. It's just a typical breezy March day. A little chilly, but refreshing.
Refreshing? Maybe for you. I'm freezing. Let's walk faster to warm up.
Okay. Let's go. It is a bit crisp out here. Oh my gosh, Jake. Look at this rain. It's really pouring down. Thank goodness you have this big umbrella.
Yeah, I know. I'm glad we can share it. My jacket is waterproof, but this downpour is too much. It's a typical April shower.
At least it's not cold anymore, but it's really wet everywhere. The path is full of puddles. We need to be careful.
True. But the rain is good for the flowers. The trees are starting to bloom. Look at the beautiful blossoms.
You're right. Everything is so green and fresh. I just hope it stops raining soon.
I think it will. These showers are usually short. The clouds are moving away.
Let's keep walking under the umbrella. It feels cozy. Ah, this is perfect, Jake. The weather is absolutely gorgeous today. It's so sunny and warm.
Hmm, you're right, Lily. This sunlight feels amazing. The park is beautiful. It feels like early summer.
Yes, it's much better than the rainy days last month. The air is so mild and full of scents. Smell that. The lilac is completely in bloom.
It's incredible. The smell is quite strong. A perfect May day for a picnic. No wind, just clear blue sky.
Indeed, I can actually feel the heat from the sun, but it's not too hot yet. It's just right. I can stay here all afternoon.
Same here. It's the perfect time to relax and recharge before summer gets too busy. Enjoy your book, Lily. I think I'm going to take a nap in the warm sun.
Spring was so refreshing, wasn't it?
It was. If you enjoyed our walk, don't forget to subscribe.
And stay with us. The weather is getting much hotter. Click the next video to see our summer adventures.